Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This time for a quick DIY maintenance video on Acura MDX, and this will also apply to the TLXs, 21 model year and up, and same with the MDX, the latest generation. And today we have the wiper replacement. Given the spring rainy season and everything, this is a quick little way to save money using your own OEM wipers, not going to a aftermarket set, from department stores and such. The OEM wiper setup will give you the best coverage end to end across your windshield. So the best way to do that is with the OEM wiper replacement refills. Now this will save you a ton of money going this route versus paying 25 and up for a aftermarket wiper replacement. These will only cost you about $8 for the refill, and we have both fronts and the rear for the MDX. And I'll show you the part number. This is for the rear wiper. This is for the front, and the other one. So what I want to show you is how to remove it and insert the refill that you see here. And this will be very quick and easy DIY, and an awesome way to save a lot of money on this. So, we already got the wipers already lifted. What you want to do is you want to flip this forward like this, and there's a little tab here where my finger is that you pull. It's like a little spring clip here. You pull that, and then you just slide down. Just like that. So once you got that done, all you got to do is right here at the tip of the wiper blade, you got to pull it down to get it out of this little nest area here, and then once that's out, then you just pull straight up from that, just like that, and then you pull it all the way out, just like so. And to replace it back, all you got to do is get the end, your new one, slide it into this little channel right here, like so. Use the larger ridge there. So you slide it into this little channel, just like so, and you just feed it all the way through. Easy does it. Now once you get all the way to the end, you're left with this little little piece left over here. Now this is meant for you to compress and slide into that little locking channel. So what you do is you just keep pulling down. It's gonna fall into this place, and just like that, easy does it. Your OEM wiper, fresh new refill. You're good to go for another year or so, with only paying $8 for this replacement refill at the dealership. Then you just come back up here again where this little U channel is. You line it up with this. You just slide it in. Try to do that with one hand. And you hear the click, and there you go. Easy as that. Now this applies to the front, same thing on the other side, same process. Now we go to the rear of the vehicle, it's just as easy. Now this rear part will run you about $20, but it's, again, extremely easy to do, and you can do it with just one hand. All you do is lift it up, you grab the top, and you keep twisting until it pops out of the clip, and just like that, one hand, easy does it. See, mine's already ripped a little bit here, so this time for replacement. So throw that one away. Let's open up a new one, and very easy. If I can do this with one hand, you can do it. Now you see this little pin right there, right over here. Little pin. I'll try to point to it for you. This little guy right there, that little pin, that goes into that. Lighting is terrible, but that goes into this little slide action right here. So again, you put this large one through, just like that. And you just keep turning it. There you go. Snaps into place. That's it. And yeah, this is an OEM replacement, not aftermarket. So there you have it. Very easy wiper replacement, and save yourself well over $20–30 depending on the wipers that you're purchasing aftermarket. But this is a quick way to keep the OEM setup and save a lot of money. All right, thanks for watching.